So we had to bring in somebody who looked at the financial and organization problems in a totally radical way. And he produced a report. And it was out of this report that the trustees felt that the responsibility lay not just with history, the responsibility didn't lay with a change in management. And that very often happens in organizations where it's been going on for a long time and traditions which are established. And when the sun goes out, there are no resources to be able to cope with harder times. And harder times they were. So the radical program was established. Now that meant at the same time the affiliates decided that they wanted to form an organization which was separated from the Haycraft Central Department, where what he said went, and they wanted to run their own show. So they ran their own show, and there was that's how we reorganized the whole of International House, with a separation of the affiliates from the trust, and the trust separated from a separate charitable trust which was running the London School. So everything changed, but what we have to look at is to see whether it changed for the better, did it become different, whether the standards and qualities are the same. And one has to say, as far as one can see, that the standards of teaching is probably raised in the last 5 years to a higher standard it had been in the previous 10, because of innovative work, a new kind of enthusiasm, that we weren't going to do tomorrow what we did yesterday, but there were new and exciting things to be done with new management. This is because we brought in new management, new chairman into International House at that time, at the turn of the century in 2002, and we went through those very, very difficult times and came out the other side really cleaner and more motivated than we had been before.